I ran around, I carried things on my head to open that shop. Eh? If I decide to close it to help the woman that I love, when you were marrying my father, was I there to help you make a choice whether to marry him or not? Why would you want to put your finger in my love life?
How can you lend such amount of money to that girl? I thought you are still managing your shop. That shop is not big enough for you to be spending anyhow from it.
I will sound this loud and clear. I will not have anything to do with you. Besides, I've got a man, a good-looking man, and you are nothing close to him. Now leave my house. Get out of my house!
All I want to tell you now is that my word stands.
And I have also taken my stand, Mama, and that is final. It is my life. It's Jennifer or nothing. If it is not Jennifer in this house, things will not be the same in this house again. I'm telling you. I don't want to see this your miserable face again when next I visited this place. Now, I have this propensity of crushing womenizers of your ilk in less than 24 hours. And your end case is not going to be different. Rather, it is going to be an improvement of the already established record of less than 24 hours.
Impossible! This is my father's compound. This land is my father's own. You do not have such rights.
Tell me, what have you not done for this girl and her family? My brother here came, Kucha. You have to tread with caution because it is not every promise you make now. How can you say that? Did you see her cry? We must do all that we can for true love.
You are my treasure, must be with you, and I will wipe your tears away. Oh, be mine. You are my treasure, must be with you, and I will wipe your tears away. My lover.
This is all the money that I have. So I have divided into two. You take this 30,000 now. I'll use this one to go to the market.
Over the years, I've always asked God for a brother. Someone I can confide in. Someone who would share in my pains and gains. Rather, he sent me an angel in addition to all that I've asked for.
Okay.